Welcome back to another vlog, guys. Sobrang ingay na naman ng construction sa labas. It's driving me crazy, but I'm playing this song. It's called Don't Worry, Be Happy. Sobrang mellow niya. Kaya sabi ko, I'm trying to like, you know, cancel out the noise. Sobrang ingay. I just finished taking a bath. I was supposed to film a video. Actually, mag-film ako ng video para okay na. We're gonna have dinner with Mark at Sambuca Gym, and we're gonna have dinner with Clara and her boyfriend Jan. We haven't seen each other since our very first Halloween party. October 2000 something pa yun. Sobrang tagal na. So, yeah, we're going to have dinner. I still haven't thrown out the flowers that Mark gave me kasi nga sobrang pretty, and I plan to like get the petals from the roses, and then like I always do, pinapreserve ko sila. Like, inaano ko sa notebook or something like that. So, yun. I actually already started packing for Palawan since we're gonna leave earlier than usual. I mean, earlier than expected. So, one day early. We're gonna leave soon. Narinig niyo? Sobrang ingay. They're using like the barena. Hindi ko alam kung binabarena nila. Nakakaloka. Crazy. I'm going to transfer the flowers onto a vase. Nilagay ko sa vase to. So I'm trying to like cut the excess stems lang para malagyan ko ng water. I decided not to wear any contact lenses today just to let my eyes rest. Tapos super casual. OOTD, I have my top, which I love so much. I've been wearing this for a couple of times na. Sobrang ulit-ulit na lang. Shorts, and then I am wearing new slippers from Payless. I love it. It's very cute. Rose gold. Pero I wanted the white one. Pero ang ganda niya. Love it. Ayun na yung flower. Nilagay ko na sa vase. It's so pretty. I had to like cut off ang medyo mahabang yung mga stems kasi sobrang haba. So nagkasya na siya dyan. I am so excited for tonight kasi after dinner, we're gonna go back home. Tapos, we're gonna watch Game of Thrones. I'm finally done with season 1. So, we're on to season 2. I have like a lot pa to catch up. I have a lot to catch up on. Yon. So far, I'm loving everything. I hate Joffrey. I love Drogo. Bakit siya namatay? Hindi ko maintindihan. Drogo and Dany, grabe, kakaloka. Pero, yon. I actually don't know bakit hindi ko siya sinimula. I mean, I don't know why I did not watch it nung lumabas siya. Hindi ko lang alam bakit. But, now I'm so addicted. So, comment down below if you are also an addict for Game of Thrones. I love it. Nakakatuwa. Lalo si Khaleesi, I love them. I actually followed them both on Instagram last night. Jason Momoa ba yung name ni Khal Drogo? Bongga yun nga. I love it. I'll also finally be able to replace the bulb because Mark is going to help me. You know, he's taller than me kaya mas abot niya yan. Ay, nakur. Dumating na pala, guys, yung yung swimsuits na pinadala ng I Love Koi. So, I Love Koi is a swimwear line, resort line, whatever. Super dami nilang awesome swimwear. So, I'm so excited to share yung mga OOTDs in Palawan. So, that's gonna be super duper soon. I have also been really loving this room spray and pillow mist from Bug Love Enterprise. It was sent to me by the online shop, and I've been using it non-stop. As in, sobrang bango kasi niya. I love it. And even the pillow mist, ang bongga. And later tonight, I might just do a live stream with Mark kasi we haven't done it yet. You know, yung live stream together. So, siguro mamayang gabi while watching Game of Thrones. Or is this gonna be like a 20-minute live stream lang para bongga siya. Ang tagal ni Mark. I'm so hungry. I'm going to get Uber na. Ay, nako. Sana sakto kasi medyo matagal din yung Uber. If you haven't tried Uber yet and if you want to get a free ride, your first free ride for up to 200 pesos, use my code. It's Uber Setyoko. So when you use the app, you just input the promo code in there, Uber Setyoko, and you automatically get your first ride for free, up to 200 pesos. So, super bongin, diba? And when you sign up then, you get your own code and you get to promote your own code. Tapos when other people use it naman, you get a free ride then. So parang both ano siya, super okay siya. On our way to Sambuca Gym, and I'm with Hi, B! Ano nung feeling mo na finally maaano mo na ang Sambuco Gym? Di ba matagal mo nang gusto itry yun?
Oo.
Feel ko sobrang magugustuhan yan. Di ba masushi-sushi ka rin? Dami.
Parang Yakimix.
Pero
parang Yakimix ba?
Hindi ko malala Yakimix, pero mas gusto ko to.
Yakimix kasi halo-halo na rin. Hindi
Mas
na rin.
gusto ko yung ano dito.
Yes.
Mga ilang years? Mga 10 years. Si Jan, parating na rin. Pero late na.
Pero maya-maya pa kasi late na nag-
Kasi yung malabas ng bukod.
Oo, dito. Ay, hindi. Sa Megamall.
Finally, may table na kami. Wala pa si Jan, Clark.
Wala pa. Nasa
At nag-usap tayo tungkol kay
madami tayong pinag-usapan.
Drogo.
Huwag siya manonood ng Game of Thrones sa ibang season.
True. Grabe yung pila sa labas. Look at that. Kaloka. Anyway. Okay, first round of food. Oh, yes. Nami. At ito yung pinunta ko dito, yung potato. Sweet potato with something. Ito yung mabi? Ang sarap, diba?
Marshmallow yun ang
Yeah. Oh. Wow, ang dami yun. Yummy. We have some meat to fry or cook. Oh yeah. I'm finishing this up pa. Sarap! Sarap?
Eh, madami sila sa barkada.
Hindi na, pero hindi na ulit.
Happy birthday! Maligaya! Bukas! Oy!
We're done eating. Super duper sarap. I love it. And I had so much fun with Clark and Jan. Double date. Pang ilang double date natin to?
Pangatlo.
Magbabarawan kami. Yes! June. True. Kamusta ka naman, B? My sun and stars. And I'm your moon. Yes.
Yes.
Welcome back to another vlog, guys. So today is Sunday and kaka-uwi lang namin ni Mark. We went to the mall to buy some stuff. So we went to surplus shop kasi ito yung go-to place ko if, you know, gusto mong bumili ng stuff na hindi ganun kamahal and all of that. Si Mark bumili ng shorts. Kanya yan. Yung akin yung gusto ko ipakita. Wait lang. Here you go. I got rash guards. Cute, no? It's black and blue. Tapos, yung isa naman, lime. Lime and black. Super cute. And then this one, yung pinaka-cute sa lahat. It's a long rash guard. Tapos, ang ganda ng ano niya, ng design niya. See? Isn't it cute? 250 lang to, grabe. Super mura. Surplus shop. While yung medyo t-shirt na rash guard, it's 499.75. So, roughly 500 pesos. I also got a package from the mail. Super cute nito. It's a cap na merong pusa. Cute, no? We're gonna take this to Palawan. Super cute. Love it. Tapos si Clark pala, kagabi, nagbigay siya ng ano, ng mga pinya. Sobrang, kasi nag-harvest yung papa niya sa Tagaytay. Love it. Thank you, little sis. And then, kasabay pala nung hat, nagpadala rin ng parang shirt. This one. Cute. I'm not sure what it's called. Pero may tawag dito. Di ba pinipair to sa ano, B? Ayan, no? Sa hat. So, anyway, wala kaming plano for the afternoon. We're just gonna watch Game of Thrones. We got some snacks. Tapos si Mark, sira ang tiyan kasi kumain siya ng sashimi. Eh, yung kinain niya kasi sashimi, parang hindi ganun ka-fresh. So, sabi ko, ayan, nasira yung tiyan niya. Kaya kumakain siya ng
Shocking.
I also got some new makeup from the mail, pero I'm gonna do a separate haul video on that na. Pero yun. Love it! So yun, we have to finish packing for Palawan before the 5th para hindi ganun hindi mahagard. So I've been watching Game of Thrones for like a few hours now. Nag-start ako mga 6 PM yata. And now it's 10. I'm on the 6th episode ba of season 2. Love it. Super short vlog for today, but I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I'm gonna go edit the vlog and then continue watching Game of Thrones. Si Mark tulog na. Pero doon yan. Pero so addicted. I love it. Bye guys!